Image is what people see. A brand is what they think and feel. It conveys ownership. What does the brand Nelson Mandela stands for? Integrity, vision, passion, struggle, nonviolence, fortitude. What separates David Beckham from his teammates? Although he was not the best player in his team, he has a worth of over $200 million. David Beckham is a brand, while the rest are just the players. Why Richard Branson, owner of Virgin Group, is a brand within himself? He has a clear vision, direction, and mission. He is famous for adventure, thrill, and fun. He attempted to break several world records like flying across the globe in a hot air balloon, cross the Atlantic Ocean in just a sailboat. Who are you? What do people think when they see you? Are you a brand? Dear fellow Toastmasters, respected guests, and prospective brand leaders, good evening.
Good evening.
What is personal brand? Jeff Bezos of Amazon.com described it as a personal branding is what people talk about you when you leave the room. It is all about your reputation. Do you know that you have a brand, whether you are aware of it or not? Your appearance, your behavior, your character, and your attitude defines your default brand. The personal branding sits on the very pinnacle of characteristics. If defined well when first established, it will be virtually impossible for anyone to break the emotional connection. Your brand communicates between you and your target audience. The impressive personal branding will help you to increase your value in your organization, the value of your organization. It will increase your employability outside of your organization. People will trust you. It will give you a legacy. And most importantly, brand will make you unique, and that will make you successful. Today I am going to help you to create an impressive personal brand that will be valuable for you, your company, and for your industry. The first step to create your impressive personal brand is your story. People want to know that who are you, how you got there where you are standing today, what makes you so successful in your field or your industry. Your story will give you emotional connection with your audience. So first, people will tend to connect you emotionally on the basis of values. The brand, which is known for to connect emotionally, is Oprah Winfrey. She born in a very poor family. Her parents were single and they broke up just after her birth. She had a very difficult childhood. She was also abused during her early age. But despite of all adverse circumstances, Oprah worked hard and she is become a successful personality. She is the first African American billionaire in the United States. The brand Oprah stands for emotional connection, human values, and struggle. The second step to create your impressive personal brand is become the best in your field. especially if you are working for high-end technology clients, then you must be seen as a runaway talent with the professional attitude. Every good brand seems to have a notion of expertise. For example, the brand Nike is the famous to prepare quality and fashionable sportswear. Jeremy Clarkson, the host of Top Gear, is considered as the specialist in cars. Even if you don't want to market your advice, you must create a perception that you are the best in what you do. The brand, you should not merely become the best of the best, but you should be seen as the only one who does what you do. The brand famous for the best of the best is Jason Statham. He used to sell fake perfume and jewelries around the corner of the streets. Then he joined his career as a model in a fashion brand named French Connection. Later, he got a chance to work as an actor. Due to his impressive performance, he got more roles. And finally, in the year 2001, he got a chance to work in a Hollywood movie. Then he worked hard to learn martial arts, and he is famous to perform his stunts himself. Today, the brand Jason Statham is known for the best action and stunt performer. The third and most important step is to speak up. You must avail every opportunity to give speeches or present your work. For example, during meetings with clients or discussing something with people, you must take an initiative to give your ideas and speak up for your ideas. People want to see you as well as they also want to hear you. So you should take the active part in the events around you and in your life. The best example of a brand known for the public speaking is Toastmasters Dhananjay. He is a 30-year-old motivational public speaker and human resource development specialist from Sri Lanka. During his childhood, he went to the wrong company and he became a thug. He went to the jail at the age of 18 years because he assaulted to someone. He felt ashamed in front of his parents and he wanted to change that. Later he joined Toastmasters Club in Colombo, and that was the turning point in his life. Because in Toastmasters he learned to speak up. Today he is the 2014 champion of Toastmasters Public Speaking and considered one of the best public speakers in the world. Your personal branding gives you an opportunity to become successful honestly, clearly, and powerfully. It will create a connection with your market so that they will give you business again and again. Branding sets an expectation. What people can expect from you? What consistencies do you want to portray? So, you must be authentic and your brand will last. You should stay true to your values. Use your plan as a roadmap. You can change directions, but you should stay on course. Branding will set you apart from the crowd, and that will make you unique and successful. Now I can see something in you, and you. A CEO of your own personal brand. Over to you.